Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I redid my entire room. So this was all the before clips of how my room used to look. It was really messy. There was really no structure or organization. There's me. And everything was just basically like on the floor. My paintings were, sprawled everywhere. So this was an Amazon find. It's basically like a perfume dish, and it has a really nice like gold bottom, and this is where I place all of my nice perfumes in, my roller balls, my sprays, all of the glass sort of perfumes. And it really ties into my whole room. So you can see my room is pink, and I really like the pink and the gold. By the way, you guys, if you have any perfume recommendations for the upcoming fall season and winter season, please let me know. All right, moving on. So this is a Ross find. It's a plastic container with a really nice glittery bottom. And here I'm actually adding all of my body sprays. So they fit really nicely, like two in each section. But the last one I was kind of struggling with because I had a Lush spray and a body oil that I wanted to include. And it wasn't really fitting properly. So what I did was I removed that blue spray and put it out on its own and added the Lush spray and body oil in one section. And here I'm just dusting off the windowsill and reorganizing that section as well as the desk and the shelf to my right. I went ahead and put some plants into the macrame and moved most of my other plants to the windowsill so that they could get some sunlight. I purchased the 8-bin organizer from Room Essentials in Target. It was about $40 purchase, and I got this for replacing that three shelf thing that was in the entryway. That's like right behind me in this clip. So I had quite a hard time figuring out the instructions, but that's probably because I was working on this really late. I was really tired mentally and physically, and I know it's not really a great excuse, but anyway, I figured it out and I put it all together. Yay. Okay, and my next purchase from Target was these storage bins. They're an 11-inch square drawer situation that fit right into those that 8-cube organizer um, thing that my dad's currently working on. And yeah, I mean these are like really great for like hiding stuff so that it doesn't all look cluttery in your room. So, one tip for organizing your room is buying containers. Like containers will save your life. And this is what the bin looks like, and listen to my mom.
Wow.
She definitely approved. Here I'm just adding all of the stuff that I had in the previous shelf on this 8-bin organizer. And it's all coming together, just adding all the books. Those books ended up not being in that same spot. So here I'm moving that 3 shelf um, thingy over to where the window is so I could put my printer on and sort of like clear up some space on my working desk for paintbrushes and my sewing machine and whatnot. And I think it worked out way better because the extension cord that you see on the bottom right next to my feet was definitely like not long enough for it to be connected to my printer and to the outlet. Okay, so I purchased this little makeup drawer from Ross.
It was, I think, $23. And I purchased this one also from Ross. I think this one was like a $10 item. And I purchased this little wood dish from Target in the dollar section, and it was $5. I got this little planter from Ross, and it's quite nice. It was like $7. I like it. I put my little snake plant in it. What I went and picked up today was this bedding. It is from Opal House, and it is probably one of my favorite brands from Target. Two of these pillow shams, and I'm going to change my bedding to this.
Jumping back into this voiceover, here you see me organizing all of my makeup that I used to have in an old plastic container onto this new makeup organizer. If you guys are interested in purchasing a similar product, I can link a different option. I actually found a similar one in the Nordstrom Rack website, and I think it's similarly priced as well. Don't quote me though. Yeah, I really like this organizer because you can literally clearly see everything. So you don't have to go digging in like a bag or a box or anything. And here it is all finished.
Hey everyone, checking in. So my room is completely done at this point, and I wanted to show you guys the final reveal. I hope you guys like it and you find some inspiration and like ideas on how to organize things that are, cluttery and, outside and, not in a container or something. So, something I learned this time around was containers are very useful. Like, you need containers to put stuff away so that everything looks neat. And I'll show you guys now the tour of my room.
Thank you guys so much for watching. As you can see, everything looks so much more clean and neater and organized. I am in love with my room now.